My dear students, good morning. Children, we are studying lesson number 14, our Panchayat. In our previous session, we have already discussed about Gram Panchayat, Taluka Panchayat and Jila Panchayat. Children, in rural areas, the Panchayati Raj institutions, that is Gram Panchayat, Taluka Panchayat and Jila Panchayat, serve and help the people. The same work is done in urban areas by municipalities and municipal corporations. Children, you know that local government looks after the local needs of the people. There are two types of local government in urban areas, that is municipalities and municipal corporations. The cities with a population of more than 20,000 are managed by municipalities or municipal committees. Municipal corporations are meant for big cities having a population as big as that of a district. Municipal corporations serve a larger population. They have more powers than municipalities. The members of municipal committees elect a chairman and a deputy chairman. In municipalities, the voting is done directly by secret vote method. Chief officer is the main administrative officer of the municipality. The members of municipal committees elect a chairman and a deputy chairman. The chairman of a municipal committee presides over the meetings and carries out the functions with the help of the executive members in accordance with the policies approved by the elected members. Children, now we will study the functions of municipalities. The main functions of a municipality are as follows: promoting and maintaining hygiene and cleanliness in the town, construction and maintenance of sewer lines for the proper removal of rainwater as well as dirty water, maintaining hospitals and clinics, construction and maintenance of roads in the town, arranging road lights, providing clean drinking water to the city, constructing and maintaining public toilets and latrines, providing and maintaining playground for children, providing public garden, providing public libraries, providing and maintaining cemetery, to build and maintain fire brigade system, to regulate traffic in the city, supervising that people get pure and non-adulterated food items. Children, for doing all these work, municipalities require money. So, for that, you know what are the sources of income of municipality? Now, children, we will learn about the sources of income of municipality. The sources of income of municipality are as follow. Collection of various taxes such as house tax, land tax, water tax, vehicle tax, shop tax, property tax, hotel tax, etc. Local taxes on business and industries. Income generated from the property owned by the municipality, that is from shops, houses, medical, market, etc. Income from water and electricity supplied to houses and factories. Grants from the state government. Income by interest on the money deposited in the municipality account. Children, I hope that you must be clear with the terms or with the meaning of municipal corporation and municipality, and you must also be aware of the members of the municipalities, its function and sources of income. Children, for this session, this much only. Okay, and thank you, children.